Here are the top 6 off-season lucrative travel gems along with their travel windows and 2 key places baked in. Number 6 on the list is Peru. April to May or September to October shoulder. The two places in Peru are Cusco and Machu Picchu. In Cusco, you wander markets scoring killer ceviche and alpaca vibes. Soak up those Andean views. Then Machu Picchu. Hike Inca trails to sunrise with barely anyone. Explore misty ruins in total peace. That lost city energy lands way harder when it's this quiet. On number 5, we have Iceland. It has the November to March off-season travel window. The two places in Iceland are Reykjavik and the Golden Circle. In Reykjavik, you finish at Blue Lagoon under pitch black sky, chase Gullfoss waterfalls, melt into the secret lagoon like your personal hot tub, hunt the northern lights over Thingvellir and Geysir. Fourth one on our list is Greece. November March low or April May or September October shoulder. The two places are Santorini and Athens. In Athens you wander Plata alleys like it's your own set, grab gyros at quiet tavernas, hit the Acropolis with actual space to breathe. Then hop to Santorini, catch Ola Caldera sunsets with no one photobombing you. Portugal. November to March is the off-peak season. These two places are Lisbon and Porto. In Lisbon, you climb Alfama Hills for those fire Tagus views. Devour warm pastel de nata from Belém Dar. Wander through Jeronimos Monastery. Slide over to Porto next. Sip port in tiny Ribera cellars. Cruise the Douro low-key and hit those intimate wine tastings. Second on our list is Japan. Visit during late May to June or late November to early December. The two places are Kyoto and Osaka. In Kyoto, you walk empty Fushimi Inari Tori paths, like your own personal tunnel, sip matcha in hidden gardens, drift through Arashiyama in complete silence, then switch to Osaka, slurp ramen at chill Dontobori Corner, and at Osaka Castle, zero chaos around. The number 1 is Thailand. May-October low, Chiang Mai and Phuket. In Chiang Mai, you hit Doi Inthanon chasing those misty views that slap. Smash khao soy at night markets, nobody in line. And chill at Wat Phra that Doi Suthet while the sun dips in golden. Swim to Phuket, then you're swimming empty Kata beaches, owning the quiet shores like it's your private island. The whole vibe feels hacked, but in the best way possible. Let Aerial Travel open these off-season window curtains for you and take you there right now. Click the link in the bio.